Hi, my name is Eichelberger. I work for Martin Sullivan out of Lexington location, and I'm the integrated solutions specialist for the store. With this merger we had about a year and a half ago, we started doing more and more customer clinics. The first one we had happened around November of this 2014. We did an Apex class, and what we did with that class is we brought customers in, pulled up Apex program on a big screen, and just walked them through the basic steps about taking their data from their 2630, 2600, putting it into Apex, cleaning it up a little bit, and what kind of features are available for them to use with Apex as far as prescription maps, yield maps, anything like that. It allows customers to pinpoint maybe some weaker areas of some fields, some areas that were good yield producers, things like that. One of the main benefits we saw in helping customers with those classes is just bringing awareness to what kind of product they have currently. And anytime you can have a customer develop new practices that they can have within that program, it benefits them and allows them to broaden their farm a little bit and what they can do with it. Here currently we're getting ready, we're in preparation stages of getting ready for a planter clinic. What we do there is we typically, with the new MaxEmerge 5-row units, we'll have a planter there and just kind of let customers go around and check out the new benefits of the new row unit. I think there's probably going to be a high-speed planter there that everybody's excited about and wants to see more about. For us, we're just going to do a basic presentation and just talk about preseason startup, making sure that display is set up, updated properly with the newest deer updates for the year. Making sure that their Apex is updated so everything meshes together when they go to the field. Just going through their document setup, setting up their row command and swath control for the planters, their timings, things like that. And by making customers aware of that, hey, it's nice to get out ahead of time, get that thing squared away, it puts that customer at ease and gives them a little more time that, hey, whenever if I call Monday or if the weather dries up and I need to go to the field Tuesday, that things are ready to go and I can drop that planter in the ground and be ready to go. So with doing all these classes, it benefits us because we're able to teach that customer ahead of time and kind of eliminate the simple questions that a farmer might have beginning of the season, and allow them to go straight to the field ahead of time. And it just allows the customer to see what's out there, see what might possibly benefit their farm, and what they might be missing on their farm to increase their yields and stuff like that. So with these classes and being able to introduce all these new features with the planters, with software coming into SeedStar 3 coming out, things like that, with being able to let farmers see it firsthand ahead of time, opens up their mind to what things are going. You're kind of able, obviously SeedStar 3 is not out yet, but we're able to teach the customer about it, show them how it might benefit. That way, when it does come out, the farmer's already ahead of the game and says, oh yeah, I already know that's important to my farm and I really need to do that upgrade. So it's just making the customer aware of what's on the future, and so they're not behind. You want to try to keep that customer ahead of times and things like that. So if you can let a customer know ahead of time what's coming out, during the year, if they know, if you've gone through like a new display and told them all the features during that year, they might be planting and see times where, hey, that feature would be nice. So then when it does come out, they already know that last year during plant season, here's what I developed or what problems I had. Well, this new display and things are going to take care of those problems. So that kind of, at that point kind of sells itself, or doing a little bit of pre-selling, I guess you could say. So